This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to change the MAC address of your Kali machine. What is MAC address? MAC address is an identifier that identifies your device uniquely. Let's move on to my Kali PC. Let's open the Kali terminal. Make sure to follow the video. Commands we used in this video can be found on the video description. Now you can see the current and permanent MAC is same. Let's change it. Now the current MAC address have been changed to a new one. You can reset the MAC address by typing this command. I think you learned something from this video, so like, comment and share this video with your friends who like to learn about Kali Linux. Hope to see you in next video.